Then number two, there is what we call strategy issue selling. Strategy issue selling. Strategy issue selling. Now, because strategy often requires change, the people who come up with the ideas, and these people could be the middle managers or even the planners, they must sell these ideas to those with the power to prove them. That is the managers. You recall what we discussed in our last session about the strategies. The middle managers are part of the strategies. The middle managers may have data or information that the top managers do not have. So there is what we call strategy issue selling. You understand? So they may have the ideas, but the ideas cannot be implemented before the ideas are approved by the top management or the directors. Understand? So a brilliant strategy is useless if the board does not buy it. That's why we are saying selling. You have to sell it to the board. The board has to buy into the idea. And one tactic that can be used in strategy issue selling is packaging. Packaging, bundling. There are many ways to package it. Is packaging. You understand? So there are many tactics. One tactic is packaging. That means framing the issue as a threat, which then gets more attention, or you can package it as an opportunity for the top level management to buy it. That's one way. Another way is bundling. Bundling is another tactic that you can use to sell an idea. That means linking a new strategy to an existing corporate goal. For example, there could be a new app which can help achieve a digital first vision. That is called bundling. Then there is also coalition building. Coalition building. Coalition building. Coalition building means getting other departmental heads to support the idea before presenting the idea to the CEO or to the directors. Coalition building. So these are three ways in which you can use to sell an idea. You understand? Yes. So that is also another aspect of strategizing.